Wow, look at this, right over here. Right down there, that's the end of the microburst. Look how it's curling up, and you can see the main downdraft right here. This is how much this wind has extended out. That has to be at least 70 miles per hour wind-wise. Very elevated structure on this storm. Incredible microburst. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like that. That is nuts. Just on the edge of this microburst here, I'm going to pull into this little area. Wind's going pretty good. Kind of see. Right on the edge of the microburst. Here we are in relative position to the storm, just on the northwest quadrant of it. Apparently it's probably really windy down there. We easily got a gust well over 50 miles an hour.